Hi, welcome to ninth grade algebra. My name is Allison Stenger, and I am the teacher for this course. I have your daughter's first period on an 8-period schedule. I have some contact information for you. Down below is my email address, astenger@visitationacademy.org, or you could reach me through the school phone at 625-9171. Be very honest with you, email is the best way to get in contact with me. I check it all throughout the day. Honestly, have it on my phone, so I check it on the weekends and night as well. Just so you guys can see what I look like, I've posted a couple of pictures. Over here is a picture of myself with two Viz grads from last year, and on the bottom is a picture of my husband and I in London, a nice trip that we took this summer. A little bit about myself. I moved to St. Louis from Maryville, Indiana about 4 years ago. Maryville is about 45 minutes from Chicago. I went to the University of Southern Indiana and I graduated in 2008 with a Bachelor of Arts in Mathematics education. This is going to be my 5th year teaching at Viz and my 7th year teaching overall. Hopefully you were able to read the syllabus that I sent home that needs to be signed and returned. I wanted to go over a couple of the main points on that just to make sure that we have that information. One of the most important things is when I'm available for extra help. I'm available before school at 7:45 in the morning. Sometimes I tutor in the morning, so if I don't tutor, I'm actually available earlier than that. So I kind of let the girls know, and we work around that schedule. But most definitely, I'm available at 7:45 in the morning. I'm also available during advisory. Please encourage your daughter if they're having any trouble at all to come see me. I find that if I have 5 minutes with a student who's having trouble, we can find the mistake and correct it really easily. How the grade is made up: 25% of the grade is homework and quizzes. Homework grade consists, every homework is 10 points. First 5 points is completion, and I check that at the beginning of class. As I'm going around checking that, the girls are to correct their homework with an answer key I give them. So they mark it right or wrong. Then I asked the girls what questions they had, and we go over some of the problems that they needed worked out. I expect anybody at that time to correct the ones that I'm correcting on the board. And then what I do is I take some of those problems that we corrected together and I pick them out to grade. So people either had them done correctly to begin with or they corrected them with me, so they should have the correct answer. So really the homework portion should be 100%. Tests are 75% of the grade. It seems like a lot, but really the girls are well prepared for the test. They get review guides that are very similar to the test. I just change numbers and stuff, but really the format's the same, material's absolutely the same. There's no surprises. I do plenty of extra practice. I find problems in the textbook and post them on Moodle, and I've actually gone through and worked out those solutions so the girls can do them, check them, and then if they missed a problem, they can go on and see exactly where they made a mistake. So please encourage them to do that extra practice on Moodle. Another thing, absences. When your daughter's absent, they need to make sure that they make up the work in a timely fashion based off of how many days they were gone. I make a calendar for every chapter at the beginning so they know exactly what's going on that day that they're gone. And I post worked out notes on Moodle. I expect them when they're absent to go on Moodle and in their own handwriting copy those notes down. The only way they're going to learn is if they actually write it out. So really when they're absent, the best place they need to go is Moodle, and they can see exactly what they have. If they missed a worksheet, I have the worksheets on there. Last thing I want to talk about is the graphing calculator. It's very important that they get the graphing calculator for this class. We will start using it in Chapter 3. They either need a TI-83, which is over here, or a TI-84. Some of the 84s now are rechargeable batteries. That's up to you how, which one you want to get. They're going to be over $100. I know it's expensive, but what we do is in this class, I teach them how to use it so that they have it for the rest of the time in upper school, and then the teacher can just expect them to know how to use it. But I will show them how to use it. Please don't hesitate at any point to contact me. Best way is through email, like I said earlier. I also will have a forum up on Moodle for the next couple days. If you want to post questions there, I can answer those as well. Or if you just want to email me, that's great. I'm looking forward to a fun and exciting and productive year. With the ninth grade algebra, we definitely start reviewing a little bit. I have to make sure that they know the basic concept first, and then when I get into the material more, we branch out a little bit more. We do a little bit more accelerated, um, little bit of challenging here and there. We take a concept and go a little bit more in depth than just regular old algebra. And this class is very small. I think I have 8 students in here, so we should be able to get a lot done. We should be able to have a lot of one-on-one time if we're having problems. So just looking forward to a fun and exciting year. So thanks.